Hi, I'm Aidan from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be looking at the Lithe Audio 6.5-inch Bluetooth ceiling speaker. This all-in-one speaker is currently one of our best-selling Bluetooth ceiling speaker systems, and with good reason. This speaker is a perfect solution for anybody who wants to add music to their kitchens, bedrooms, or living areas. They're super easy to use and sound amazing for the price. Now, this is primarily a Bluetooth ceiling speaker, meaning that once you've connected your smart device via Bluetooth to the speaker, anything that you play on it, such as Spotify, TuneIn Radio, YouTube, or anything else, will play through the speaker. Connecting to Bluetooth is easy. Simply go to your Bluetooth settings on your device, search for the device, look for the speaker, and then the name will show up either as a custom name or Lithe Audio BT. Once you click on it, enter the pin, which is either 4 zeros or there won't be a pin, so it will just connect automatically. And then after that, you should be connected. Now, we do have the capability to change the Bluetooth name to any custom name. Most of our customers change the Bluetooth name to like bathroom, kitchen, living room, or anything else that defines that particular room. Just make sure you tell us that you want a custom Bluetooth name when you're placing the order. However, this speaker also has an RCA input on the rear, which allows you to physically connect to the device via a cable. Normally, this is for a TV or an audio streamer, such as an Echo input. Now, this speaker is fully Amazon Echo compatible via Bluetooth. Essentially, you put your Echo within 8 meters of the master speaker so it can reach, and then connect it via the Alexa app. Once your Echo is Bluetooth to the speaker, you'll be able to voice control it. The ceiling speaker has a built-in 50-watt amplifier. However, a single on its own will only play in mono, so if you want stereo quality, you will need a pair. Now, although you can only have one passive speaker to a master, you can use the LifeLink technology to connect up to 3 pairs of speakers together for a larger room. Now, we normally recommend that any room up to 5 by 5 meters needs a pair, up to 10 by 5 meters will need 2 pairs, and larger rooms will probably need 3 pairs. Now, this all-in-one speaker has a built-in 6.5-inch woofer and a 0.75 titanium tweeter. The tweeter is directional, so you can point the music towards your normal listening position, and there's also a light equalizer on the front for better tuning your speaker to the type of music you listen to. Now, all Lithe Audio speakers we sell come with Bluetooth renaming and an extra year's warranty free of charge. So that means you get 3 years in total. Now, we personally have years of experience with using and installing these speakers, and we offer full free technical support with every purchase. These speakers are really easy to install, and most electricians should be able to fit it. All they need to do is take a fuse spur from the permanent live on the lighting circuit into a 3-pin socket, which can live in the attic space, then simply plug the speaker in using the socket that's supplied into the 3-pin plug, and then fix your ceiling speaker to the ceiling. Let's take a look at some of the hidden features with this speaker. On the rear of the speaker, there are 2 switches that do 2 different things. They're really good to know. One of them is a stereo mono switch, which allows you to turn the speaker from a single mono speaker and to have a pair with it. Now, it might be useful to actually turn the speaker to mono when the 2 speakers are in different rooms, or whether you've just got one on its own. There is also a volume limiter, which allows you to reduce the amount of power that goes through the amplifier. Now, this is great if you're installing into kids' bedrooms. You can cap the maximum amount of volume that will come out of this at 50% if you want to. Now, to buy this ceiling speaker, please check out the link in our description to take you to our website. Thanks for watching. You can find this and other great home audio products on our website, www.kbaudio.co.uk. If you like this video, click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified when we next release a video.